What is up, guys? In this video we're going to cover attack obstacles and collision. So we're going to make it so when the hero attacks with his sword, the attack obstacle will disappear if it is an attack obstacle. So to start, we need to make the CC hero class actually aware when the hero is attacking. So just like we did with the isJumping boolean, we're going to create an isAttacking boolean, set that equal to false. And when we call the attack function, we want to set this equal to true. And then at the end of the attack animation, in the animateAttack function, we want to set that isAttacking boolean to false. Awesome. So now our CC hero class is aware when it is attacking, and we can access that property outside the class. Next, we need to move into our CC attack obstacle class. We need to create a short function that's just going to remove the attack obstacle. So we can't just call the remove from parent function. I'm just going to call this function that we're going to make explode. The reason we can't call the remove from parent function is we still need this obstacle to exist so that when the hero passes it, it's going to increment our points label, which we'll be covering in the next section. So what we're going to do is we're going to set the texture to nil, which is going to essentially make this object disappear. And then we're also going to set the physics body to nil so that the hero can no longer interact with it after it's been after it's disappeared, after we've exploded it. So after we have done this, we want to move into our game scene file down to our didBeginContact method. We're going to in this method, we need to determine whether or not the interaction or contact that just happened is an attack obstacle interaction. So this contact variable right here in the parameter, we can use this to do that. So this has a couple of properties. It has body A and body B, which are the two objects that are currently interacting. So if we say if contact.bodyA.category bitmask is equal to the attack obstacle category, we know that body A is the attack obstacle. This is an attack obstacle interaction, and we want to check whether or not the hero is attacking. So we're going to say, well, first we're going to say let the attack obstacle equal contact.bodyA, and notice how the body A and body B are both SK physics bodies. In order to access the node from that, physics bodies have a convenience property just called node, which accesses the node that the physics body was set on. So we can say contact.bodyA.node. One thing we have to do here, though, is notice how the type of node is skNode. In order to cast this to a CC attack obstacle, which is a subclass of skNode, we need to use the keyword as, and also this exclamation mark to say, okay, we know that this is this class type. So as CC attack obstacle. And the reason that we need to cast it to this in the first place is so that we can call that explode method. Otherwise, the program is going to think it's just an skNode and it won't have any idea what the explode function is. So now we're going to say if hero.isAttacking, we know we can explode this. We can go attack obstacle dot explode. Else, we know that the hero is not attacking, so it's going to be game over. So we can actually move this attack obstacle here into the isAttacking if statement, because if it's game over, we don't actually need to know that. Okay, so we're going to do basically the same thing with body B. This is going to be repetitive, and some people would probably call it not the best coding practice because it's repetitive. But the other ways I've tried it, it actually seems more confusing. So I like this way better just for learning and understanding purposes. So we're going to say else if contact.bodyB.category bitmask equals attack obstacle category. Same thing, we can actually just copy this guy. Basically, the only difference in these bits of code is going to be this body A and body B. And awesome. So last but not least, we can say else if not is game over, game over. So basically this last statement is saying, okay, it's not an attack obstacle interaction, so it's any other type of interaction. which is going to cause game over if the game isn't already currently over. Okay, so let's run this. Let's see if we got everything in here. I'll pull this over. So if all is working correctly, hopefully we get the attack obstacle to start, because I don't think the world is currently going fast enough to jump over jump obstacles. So let's, oh, sorry, one second. I need to change one thing. I was just doing the menu scene. I need to go into the game view controller. This is going to be game scene. I was just implementing the menu scene in a couple sections ahead of this, so it should be good now. All right, so let's tap to start. We're going, going, going. I'm probably not going to be able to go across, jump across this. Yeah, I'm probably going to have to increase the speed. Let's see if we can get an attack obstacle. Nope. To starts. Not 3 jump obstacles. Okay, luck is not on my side right now. One more time. There we go. Okay, so now if we down slash, cuts through the obstacle, and we go right through it. So awesome. It's doing exactly what we want. And yeah, it's going to be it for this video.